The 4ALLFAMILY Voyager Auto Shutoff Cooler Travel Case is a groundbreaking solution for anyone needing to keep medications like insulin or EpiPens cool while on the go. We've gathered reviews from across the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of this product, its features, and its performance. If you own this item, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This travel cooler has been designed with innovation and practicality in mind, offering features that cater specifically to individuals who require temperature-sensitive medication storage. Its compact design, resembling a thermos, makes it highly portable and convenient for travel. The standout feature of this cooler is its USB-powered lid, which can reduce the internal temperature by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit without the need for external ice packs. This ensures that medications are kept at an optimal temperature range of 36 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, even in challenging conditions. One of the most praised aspects of this cooler is its real-time temperature display. Users have expressed their appreciation for this feature as it provides peace of mind by allowing them to monitor the internal temperature at all times. This is particularly useful in situations where traditional refrigeration methods, such as hotel mini-fridges, may not be reliable. The cooler's anti-freeze temperature control ensures that medications are not exposed to freezing temperatures, a critical factor for preserving their efficacy. Additionally, the large capacity of this unit allows it to store up to 7 insulin pens or similar-sized medications, making it suitable for extended trips or individuals with multiple prescriptions. Many users have highlighted the versatility of this device, noting its compatibility with various power sources such as car chargers and power banks. This flexibility makes it an ideal companion for long journeys or situations where access to traditional power outlets may be limited. However, there are some limitations and considerations to keep in mind. The cooler's cooling capacity is limited to a maximum of 50 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. This means that in extremely hot environments, such as a car trunk on a sweltering day, the internal temperature may not remain within the desired range. Users have emphasized the importance of planning accordingly and avoiding prolonged exposure to extreme heat. Another point raised by reviewers is the durability of the fan inside the unit. While the fan is crucial for maintaining proper cooling, it may wear out over time due to dust accumulation or bearing issues. Some users have suggested that the manufacturer consider redesigning the unit to make fan replacement easier and provide replacement parts as needed. Despite these concerns, most users agree that this product delivers excellent value for its price point. The inclusion of biogel packs as an alternative cooling method further enhances its reliability in situations where power might not be available. For air travelers, it's important to note that biogel packs must be fully frozen to pass through security checks when carried in hand luggage. Several users have shared their positive experiences with TSA and airport security when traveling with this cooler, often receiving compliments on its innovative design. In terms of usability, the cooler is straightforward to operate but requires adherence to certain guidelines for optimal performance. For instance, using a high-quality USB-C cable and power supply capable of delivering at least 10 watts is essential for achieving maximum cooling efficiency. Users have also recommended investing in a robust power bank with sufficient capacity to ensure uninterrupted operation during extended periods without access to AC power. The build quality of the cooler has received mixed feedback. While the overall construction is solid, some users have noted that certain components, such as the sling and plastic clip, could be improved for added durability and aesthetic appeal. Suggestions for future enhancements include incorporating Bluetooth connectivity or Wi-Fi capabilities for real-time alerts and notifications regarding temperature fluctuations or power interruptions. These features would add significant value by providing users with additional peace of mind and convenience. Overall, the 4ALLFAMILY Voyager Auto Shutoff Cooler Travel Case has proven to be a reliable and practical solution for individuals requiring portable medication storage. Its innovative design and thoughtful features address many challenges faced by those who rely on temperature-sensitive medications while traveling. While there is room for improvement in certain areas, such as fan durability and accessory quality, these do not overshadow the product's overall effectiveness and utility. For anyone considering this purchase, we highly recommend reading through all instructions carefully and testing the unit under various conditions before embarking on your journey. Proper preparation and understanding of its capabilities will ensure that you get the most out of this device. If you own this product or have experience using it, please share your thoughts in the comments section below to help others make an informed decision.